Handle restroom trash immediately during cleaning to prevent odors and contamination. When emptying cans, first put on gloves and inspect the contents visually to detect any soiled or wet items that require special handling. If the can contains only dry paper products, fold the liner inward and lift it out carefully, then replace it with a fresh liner to maintain containment. For wet or soiled waste, double bag the material to prevent leaks and place it in a receptacle designated for contaminated waste or the main trash pickup area according to local disposal rules. Never compress or compact waste by hand, and avoid shaking liners to reduce aerosolization of particles. After bag removal, wipe the inside and outside of the can with an appropriate disinfectant and allow contact time specified by the product, then dry before installing a new liner. Wash or sanitize hands after removing gloves and record any incidents of contamination for follow-up if required by your employer or facility policy. Common mistakes include assuming every liner can stay in place when wet or soiled, which leads to leaks and odors, so always replace liners that are damp and double bag heavily soiled loads. Another frequent issue is not checking for hazardous or medical waste in general use bathrooms, which should be isolated and handled according to local regulations rather than through routine trash. If you find sharps or medical material, secure it safely and notify the appropriate facility manager. A third problem is skipping post-removal disinfection because the can looks clean and disinfect both the interior and exterior surface after every bag change to reduce microbial load and keep odors down. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals who work in restroom maintenance and general bathroom services, and our platform gives contractors a place to find new work. We also host an active discussion community where members exchange tips about handling restroom trash and sanitation, and where homeowners and tradespeople can ask practical questions and share experiences.